generation gasoline engine, Hyundai's brand new engine. Hyundai Motor opens a new era in gasoline engine technology. The new engine achieves best-in-class performance and fuel economy by applying new technologies. The derivative engines, the GDI and CVVL engines, are based on an MPI engine to satisfy consumers' needs. The variable induction system delivers a variable airflow for engine operating conditions. At low and high speeds, it flows through the short runner, and at mid-range speed, it flows through the long runner, helping to optimize the engine's performance over the entire range of operating conditions. Dual CVVT opens and closes the valves at the optimal timing, enhancing the engine's performance and improving its fuel economy. At low speeds and high load conditions, the intake valves become advanced to achieve the high performance by increasing volumetric efficiency. At part load condition, the exhaust valves become retarded and the intake valves become advanced to increase internal exhaust gas recirculation for improvement of fuel economy and exhaust gas emissions. Better fuel economy is obtained through offsetting the center of the cylinder bore and crankshaft by reducing friction loss. The roller swing arms are applied for improvement of fuel economy with reducing friction. Through the GDI system, the fuel is compressed by the high-pressure fuel pump and is injected into the combustion chamber directly. Evaporated fuel cools down the intake air mixture so that the engine performance becomes improved with volumetric efficiency. At CVVL system, the performance, fuel economy, and emission become improved through optimal valve lift at each engine load and speed. Typical engine controls intake air through the throttle valve, but the CVVL engine controls the intake air through the valve lift to improve fuel economy by reducing pumping loss. At low speed conditions, the performance becomes improved through optimal valve lift. However, at high speed conditions, the performance is improved through maximum valve lift with increase of charging efficiency. A true masterpiece. The new engine. Hyundai Motor continues to challenge new engine technology